persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Weather Radio Station.
Oh, here we go! Here we go! Here we go!
Severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 518 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Barron,
Tornado warning!
The Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hurdle, or 14 miles west of Spooner, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter.
Holy!
Spotters have reported a funnel cloud. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cumberland around 5:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Hagen. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Barron, and Polk. This is County in northwestern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m.
What the fuck?
At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spooner to 5 miles west of Hagen, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hagen around 6 p.m. Rice Lake around 6:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Weyerhaeuser. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, jeez.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Barron, and Rusk. This is weather in southwestern Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, eastern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rice Lake, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rice Lake and Barron around 6:05 p.m. Cameron around 6:15 p.m. Shutek around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kenton, Sumner, and Rice Lake Airport. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Barron, and Rusk. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
Ow.
For west central Wisconsin, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Barron, and Rusk.
Finally you go off.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, north central Chippewa County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Weyerhaeuser or 17 miles southwest of Ladysmith, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cornell around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Island Lake and Holcomb. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Chippewa, and Rusk.
Done in St. Charles.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dunn County, central St. Croix County until 8 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Richmond, or 14 miles north of River Falls, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hammond and Baldwin around 7:30 p.m. Woodville around 7:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Glenwood City, Boyceville, and Knapp. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Dunn, and St. Croix. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southwestern Rusk and north central Chippewa.
Triple done, Eau Claire.
National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dunn County, southwestern Chippewa County. County, northwestern Eau Claire County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Menominee, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement, reported many trees and power lines down across southern St. Croix County. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elk Mound around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Eau Claire. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across southern St. Croix County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Chippewa, Dunn, and Eau Claire. Northwestern Pierce County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cottage Grove, or 11 miles southeast of St. Paul, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Prescott around 8:10 p.m. River Falls around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Cannock-in-Nick State Park, Gray Cloud Township, and Afton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Washington, Minnesota, and Pierce, Wisconsin. Chippewa County until 8:45 p.m.
Northwestern Chippewa.
At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cornell, or 20 miles south of Ladysmith, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Chippewa County, including the following locations: Holcomb, Otter Lake, and County Roads F and H. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Chippewa, Wisconsin.
This is not good. There it is. Taylor County.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a thunderstorm warning for western Taylor County in north central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Sheldon, or 24 miles southeast of Lincoln, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters reported tree damage in Bloomer, Wisconsin at 8 p.m. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Taylor County, including the following locations: Holly, Gilman, Perkinstown, Another dam flowage. Open. Hannibal and Patterson Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: Taylor, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm was located near Ellsworth, or 9 miles north of Red Wing, moving east at 35
Happened in
miles per
Pierce.
hour.
Where did that come from?
Expected hazards include
Tornado
50
possible.
miles per hour wind
Jesus.
gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bay City around 8:50 p.m. Plum City around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Arkansas, Goodale, Ella,
Arkansas.
Red Wing Airport, and Hager City. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Pippin and Peters. This is Weather Radio Station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. Central Wisconsin, east central Jackson County, and west central Wisconsin until 12:45 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hatfield, or 8 miles southwest of Millsville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shortsville around 12:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Ballard Road and Frey Avenue, East Fort Campground, the Black River Correctional Center, Highway 95 and 73, Bruce Mound, Lake Arbutus, and 17th Flowage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Thursday for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Clark and Jackson,